Medical innovation today is at its finest point, in my opinion. I say that because the way that we can interact now with patients is very different than we could just years ago. And that's really through innovation. And we see that through connected devices, we see that through wearables, through a lot of innovation that we didn't have just 5 years ago. In diabetes, we were once worried about needle size. And now if you look at the innovation today, it's through connected devices and how we're able to interact with patients differently, which really changes their lives.
Innovation, the value of innovation has to be translated into the benefits for the patient, for the healthcare system, for society as a whole. And if you step back and look at the environment in which we operate in today, there's no better time than what we're realizing today as far as the advancement of medical innovation.
It's a very exciting time because medical innovation is just accelerating at a great pace. We do see a lot of new innovative therapies in the market. We have new therapies for infectious disease that are curing diseases such as Hep C and HIV that years ago was just unthinkable that we would actually be able to have this kind of curability. The other things we're seeing is in the area of cancer and immunotherapies, where we're actually being able to extend life and in many cases remove cancerous tumors and cells from individuals. So these are exciting times. We have new gene therapy, we have new CAR-T therapy that everyone is extremely excited about for the future. So medical innovation, to me, is just fundamental to our ability to improve healthcare and improve the quality of life for many, many Americans.
The most exciting thing about the innovation that is moving forward today is that in many cases we are able to now treat, and happy to say the word cure, diseases that before these patients didn't have any options. We're not talking about cures for cancer, we're talking about cures for childhood diseases. We're talking about improving and extending patients' lives beyond where we've ever been able to impact them before.
The theme today being medical innovation is so appropriate because it brings together our thoughts around how we use this innovation to make a difference in patients. And the thing that I'm really hearing today that strikes me and is so close to our company is big data and digital processes. So how do we bring that all together? There's huge innovations going on in that area, and it's helping us advance the development of new drugs through using that data in a very effective way.
We are at such an exciting time as an industry as we look at medical innovation. There are so many unmet medical needs that patients just have no viable treatment option. And we're starting to see some very, very promising therapies either receive FDA approval or advance to later stages of clinical development. We've seen some very important advances in the area of oncology. I've worked predominantly in that area throughout my career, and we're starting to see one-time therapies that will help benefit patients with great unmet medical needs. So for example, the approval of 2 CAR-T therapies recently in the United States, those really were important developments for certain patients who had no other treatment options.